आज हम सिक्स्थ एंड लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ आवर मल्टीप्लिकेशन चैप्टर करेंगे जिसका नाम है वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स। हमने वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑलरेडी पहले चैप्टर्स में सीखे हैं। सो लेट्स स्टडी द सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल्स। A school orders 48 boxes of pencils for students. Each box has 12 pencils in it. How many students will receive pencils if each student gets one pencil? Number of boxes of pencils is 48. Number of pencils in each box is 12. Therefore, total number of pencils will be 48 into 12, that is 576. Therefore, 576 students will receive pencils if each student is given one pencil. यह भी एक वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है जिसमें लिखा है कि 48 बॉक्सेस ऑफ पेंसिल्स है जिसमें से एक बॉक्स में 12 है, इसलिए हमें फाइंड करना है टोटल नंबर जिससे हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए हमने 5 या 6 स्टेटमेंट्स लिखे हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप एंड एक फाइनल आंसर। तो हम थोड़े एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करते हैं। अ फैक्ट्री प्रोड्यूसेस 7020 आइटम्स पर डे। हाउ मेनी आइटम्स कैन इट प्रोड्यूस इन 15 days? यहाँ पे लिखा है कि अ फैक्ट्री प्रोड्यूसेस dash number of items per day. How many items will he produce in 15 days? इसका मतलब है हमें 7020 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसलिए हम लिखेंगे items produced in a day which is equal to 7020. Then the next statement will be items produced in 15 days, which will be equal to 7020 into 15, which will be equal to, and then we have to do the multiplication. So here we'll write 7020 and then below it we will write 15. Then we'll start. So 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 2 is 10. So first we'll start. 5 into 0 is 0 and 5 into 2 is 10. So we'll write 0 again and we'll do 1 carryover. Then 5 into 0 is 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Then we have 7 into 5, which is equal to 35. Then we'll go to the next one, which will be 7020 into 10. As we have learnt, when we have to multiply into 10, we simply write a 0 and then the number itself, which is 7020. Now we will add both of them. So let's add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 again is 0, then we have 2 plus 1, which is 3, 5 plus 0, which is 5, and 7 plus 3, which is 10. So our answer is 105300. So here we will write 105300. So our answer is 105300 items were produced in 15 days. The third one is students have to pay 1,850 rupees per month for lodging and boarding in a hostel. Find the total amount paid per month by 54 students. Now यहाँ पे लिखा है कि students every month इतना amount pay करते हैं, तो we have to find the total amount paid per month by 54 students. So that means we have to multiply 1850 into 54. So the first statement will be amount paid by one student is equal to 1850. Now next will be amount paid by 54 students, which is equal to 1850 into 54. So now we will perform the multiplication. 1850, enter 54. So now we'll start by doing 1850 into 4. 4 zeros are 0, then 5 fours are 20. So that leaves us with another 0 and 2 carry over. So now we will do 8 into 4, which is 32, and 32 plus 2 is 34. So 4 plus 3 carry over, and 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So the first layer's answer is 7400. Now the next layer. The next layer is 1850 into 50. Now we'll write the 0 and then continue. So 5 into 0 is 0. Then 5 into 5 is 25. So 5 and 2 carry over. Then we have 8 into 5. 8 into 5, which is 40. And 40 plus 2 is 42. And then we have 4 carry over. Then 5 into 1, which is 5. 5 plus 4, which is 9. So the answer is 9250. Now we will write the final answer by adding both the numbers. So first, in the ones place we have 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. Next we also have 0. Then we have 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Then 7 plus 2, which is also equal to 9. And then another 9. 9 plus 0, 9. So the final answer is 99900, which is 99,900. So the answer is the amount paid by 54 students is equal to 99,900 rupees.